Hi, my name is Tim Wallace. I'm in the Social Studies department at present. I came initially as a theology teacher and switched to Social Studies. And I teach advanced placement government and honors government and honors world history. Well, the We the People program is a program put on by it's a national Center for Civic Education. We have a Michigan affiliate, the Michigan Center for Civic Education, which tries to instill in high school students that participate a love of the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. Each school has unit teams that are considered to be experts on the Constitution and the Bill of Rights, and they're called before a panel of a House investigatory committee or a House oversight or a House committee to testify.
Through participating in the We the People program, I've learned how to apply my learning in the classroom to real-life questions and relevant issues in America. And I think I've been surprised by how much I already knew and how much knowledge I already had coming into the program. When I thought of government class, I thought about taking notes and writing essays, and I think We the People allowed you to be able to argue the knowledge you've learned and to argue about real-life topics that are relevant to today.
My unit and I did a lot of research on court cases and as well as the impacts that they had on the government and people. Our topic was what the Bill of Rights protects, specific to the educational setting. So we really examined the Constitution and the effects that has had on students. Yeah, I would say I learned a lot from this experience. It definitely heightened my awareness of civic engagement and the importance of understanding governmental processes.
What I found that the students find is in the past, they didn't know what to expect, but after the program was over, they said, this was kind of fun. I really got a lot out of it, and maybe make them a little bit more devoted to research and teamwork and that type of thing. They're already talking about AP government. I like to get them talking about, yeah, that's We the People too.